Turning integers and words. This article was originally posted to Delphi3000.com. Sometimes it is necessary to turn the bytes of an integer. This is known as the big-endian/little-endian problem, and occurs when you receive data from a machine with another byte order. Some machines arranges bytes from left to right. Other arranges them from right to left. Delphi has implemented a function called swap that can turn integers. But here are some examples on how to do it yourself. / turning a smallint, 16-bit signed, function I16, smallint, var x1, smallint, x2, array 0 1 of byte absolute x1, x3, array 0 1 of byte absolute I, begin x2 0 equals x3 1, x2 1 equals x3 0, result equals x1, and / turning a word, 16-bit unsigned, function R16, word, var x1, word, x2, array 0 1 of byte absolute x1, x3, array 0 1 of byte absolute I, begin x2 0 equals x3 1, x2 1 equals x3 0, result equals x1, and / turning a long int, 32-bit signed, function R32, long int, var x1, long int, x2, array 1 4 of byte absolute x1, x3, array 1 4 of byte absolute I, begin x2 1 equals x3 4, x2 2 equals x3 3, x2 3 equals x3 2, x2 4 equals x3 1, result equals x1, and do you see the pattern?